Here's a breakdown of Brazil's rankings in three key areas: energy production, clean, renewable energy, and water resources, based on the latest data. 1. Overall energy production, primary energy. Brazil leads Latin America in total primary energy production, producing approximately 10.91 quadrillion BTU in 2023, which ranks it above its regional neighbors in energy output. TheGlobalEconomy.com. Globally, Brazil accounted for about 2.0% of the world's total energy production in 2021. Wikipedia. 2. Clean energy and renewable energy. A. Renewable electricity share. Brazil is a global standout in renewable electricity, especially within the G20. In 2023, approximately 89% of Brazil's electricity was generated from renewables, the highest share among G20 countries, and nearly 3 times the global average, 30%. Ember data indicates that in 2024, about 90% of Brazil's electricity came from low-carbon sources, with wind and solar contributing around 24%. In 2023, 91% of electricity came from clean sources, with hydro accounting for 60% and wind-solar contributing 21%. B. Installed capacity and production by type. Hydropower. Brazil is the second largest hydroelectricity producer in the world, after China Global Energy Monitor. In 2021, it generated about 363 TWh, equating to 9% of global hydropower output. Wikipedia. Wind power. In 2021, Brazil ranked 7th globally in installed wind power, around 19 gigawatt. Global Energy Monitor. By 2023, it became the 4th largest wind energy producer, with 107.8 TWh generated. Wikipedia. Solar power. At the end of 2023, Brazil was the 6th country in the world in installed solar capacity, 37.4 gigawatts. Canal Solar. By early 2025, total installed solar capacity had grown to around 54 gigawatts, making Brazil 5th globally in solar capacity. Wikipedia. Solar contributed about 10% of Brazil's electricity by 2024. Wikipedia. Overall renewable capacity. As of 2024, Brazil ranked 3rd globally in installed renewable energy capacity, behind only China and the United States, with a total of 214 gigawatts. Statista C. Summary of clean energy ranking. Brazil is consistently among the top countries globally for renewable electricity share, highest in G20, hydropower production, 2nd globally, wind energy production, 4th globally, solar capacity, 5th to 6th globally, overall renewable capacity, 3rd globally. Water resources. Brazil holds the world's largest share of replenishable freshwater resources, with approximately 8,233 cubic kilometers, representing 12% of the planet's total supplies. Geeks for Geeks. This includes 70% of the water in the Amazon basin and makes Brazil the undisputed global leader in freshwater availability. Summary. Table. Category. Brazil's global ranking. Total primary energy, number 1 in Latin America, 2% of global production. Renewable electricity, percent, number 1 in G20 among highest worldwide. Hydropower production, 2nd globally after China. Wind energy production, 4th globally. Solar capacity production, 5th to 6th globally. Renewable capacity total, 3rd globally. Freshwater resources, number 1 globally, 12% of world's total. Additional insights. Brazil's energy matrix is highly renewable. In 2019, 45% of total energy production was from renewables, nearly 3 times the global average of 14%. Wikipedia. In the electricity matrix, the contrast is even more pronounced. 83% renewable in Brazil versus only 25% globally back in 2019. Wikipedia. Brazil's leadership in clean energy is not only historical but ongoing. Its added solar and wind capacity continues to surge, solidifying its position among global leaders. Final thoughts. Energy overall. Brazil is the energy powerhouse of Latin America and a mid-ranking global player, 2% of global output. Clean energy? Brazil is a global leader, among the top countries in renewable electricity share and clean energy production. Hydro, wind, solar, overall renewables. Water resources. Brazil ranks number 1 in the world, with the largest store of renewable freshwater on Earth. Would you like a deeper dive into any specific sector, like biofuels, energy transition policies, or regional breakdowns within Brazil?